Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is day 185 of my coding journey. So today I'll be working on a full stack e-commerce site. There's a few things that I want to do to it, and I'm going to be going really hard on this project this week because I want to get it completed. So today I have a list of things that I want to get done, and first thing on the list is so on the layout, I put this styling on the body to give the site this like margin on the left and right. But it's giving me problems because I kind of want, to have some sections with colored backgrounds. Like, I want this to be the primary color background, and it's showing, the left and right margin on them. So I'm gonna have to go into each component and fix this because I'm gonna take this styling off the body. And I tried everything. So I tried to do a with full, which is already on there, and then you could do it with screen as well. And see, it's just going to go like off the screen on that side and still have this margin on the left. So to fix that, I know how to fix it because I did this little trick on my portfolio site, still keeping the margin on the left and right because I think that looks really nice. And also add like a max width as well to the site. So I say we start from the nav and work our way down, and then I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So where's the nav bar? All right, so first let's go to the layout and let's remove the styling on here now. I'm just gonna remove the whole thing like that, and this is gonna make the site expand all the way to the left and right. Hopefully it goes fast. Site goes so slow, man. It's not even the site, it's just my computer, man. Like when I'm recording, it just goes so slow, it sucks. Alright, so as you can see, I moved to the left and right. So let's play around with this a little bit. Let's start with the nav, and then we'll go to each component and add it like that. Let me just cut my sound up because I'm expecting a call here soon. All right, so this is the nav. So what I need to do is I need to make a div inside of this, right? Inside of this nav. And this is going to hold every single thing in here. It's going to be right here. And there we go. So that should mess up the site. Yeah, as you can see, it makes it look weird. So now we just have to add this styling to the inner div that we just added. So let's get rid of that and add that like that. And everything should go back to normal for that. So now let's work on the left and right margin. So we can either do, first let's add this. Let's add a color to this now. Add a class name of BG Blue, just so we can see what we're doing. And that should change the color of all of it. Maybe I gotta do BG Blue like 700 or some shit. BG Blue, let's do 600. All right, and then we might gotta do a width of full as well. With the full, and I think we're not seeing it because it is Z index here, I believe. So let's get rid of the Z index. I don't even know why I got a Z index of 999. I could just put Z index of 99 or something. We should be able to see it. I guess not. BG Blue with full. Oh, okay, I think I see the issue here because we have a BG white here. So let's actually keep it white for now. And what we'll do is so we got the BG blue on there. We're gonna do a width, and let's do 89%. This is the width that I use on my portfolio site, and I think it's perfect. Might gotta go up just a little bit, but we'll see. So width of 89%, and we're gonna do a margin, a M of auto, like that. All right. That should push it right to the middle. All right, so that looks good, but it's just a little bit too much margin. So let's do maybe like 92%. Let's see where that gets us. All right. I think that looks okay. Let's see what we got here. So we got a PY. That, and as you can see, it's like coming off. Let's see where we. How this breaks. Okay, it breaks perfectly. All right, I guess we could keep it like that. I mean, we could add a we could probably just change this to a. Actually, let's keep it like that. And then what we'll do is just we can either just do a BG white for this, and then just change this to like inherit, and then that way we don't have to change two backgrounds. If we ever change the background, we just change the white, and then this inherit its parent's background. So for example, I could change this to black, and then the div inside will inherit that. So that's just the mobile menu. Ooh. Hold up now. Hold up. Hold up. All right. We might be onto something here. I really like that black. A lot, actually. Ooh, I really like that black. Maybe I can, hold on. Maybe I can, whenever we scroll, it turns into black. The nav turn into black. So like, because right now I have it sticky. I think I had it sticky, right? Why is it not sticking? Huh. Sticky. Maybe I gotta add the sticky onto this. Yeah, I wonder why it's not sticking. Oh, I probably gotta add the top to 0 here as well, like that. So what we can do is like when we scroll and get to like a certain, like, okay, that's why I had the Z index. I think that's why I had the Z index. So let's put that Z index back onto the entire nav. Let's do a Z of 9999, like that. All right, wait, come on, kick in. You gotta kick in first. There we go. All right, so like it can be white whenever we hit the top, and then when it comes down, that's when it turns black. We could do something like that. It's really easy to do, but for now, just keep it white. I'll do that like on another video or something. It's not on the list today. I try to stick by my list, but that would really look nice. The pattern on the top and bottom looks a little bit too much, right? So let's see what happens when we remove this. No, I don't want to remove that. Let's do like a 0.3 or something. Yeah, I think that looks better. We should probably gotta fix our menu up a little bit. I think that looks way better. All right, perfect. And let's head down to our user menu. Mobile menu. Come on. Where I got you? Mobile menu. Desktop menu. Where the hell is the user menu? sign out. Wait, here it goes. All right, user menu. All right, so let's just fix this up a little bit. So we just gotta do, so we got a top of 20. Let's do like a top of like 15. And I think that'll probably be it right there. Yeah, that looks, oh no. Let's do a top of 10 maybe. I think it goes by twos, right? Then let's do 12. Let's do maybe 12, 14, let's do 16. Perfect. Open up, bam, bam. Okay, yeah, I think that looks nice. Let's make sure it breaks perfectly. Still, mobile still looks nice. I might still, yeah, I still gotta fix this one up. The mobile menu, that's here. And let's see. All right, so it's right here. Let's do like a top of maybe 10. And that might do it. Perfect. Is it cutting off right there? Nah, okay. Yeah, it looks nice. All right, so that's that. And make this, let me make sure you guys can still see, because whenever I extend too far, you guys can't really see it. All right, so that's that. Now let's so the nav is done. Now we just gotta add some padding left and right onto all the other components, and I'm just going to keep the same exact thing. So we did a width of 92% and a margin of auto, and also let's set a max width on here. So let's do an LG and up, and we're gonna do a max width of 1500 pixels. This is just for all them large screens out there, just so your stuff won't stretch and look weird. So let's see how our nav looks now. When that, so this is 2000 pixels right here, and see how the products is stretching. So we're gonna fix that. That's stretching, our menu stretching, but our nav bar still stays intact perfectly with the nice margin and left. So that's what we want there. All right, so now let's go down to the hero section, and let's fix this up and see how we're gonna do this. So I'm guessing it's the same thing. We'll just add a div in the inside, an inner div, like that, and bring this right before the closing tag, and just copy these same styles onto the inner div, like that. So it shouldn't change anything. All right, I'm getting a text from the guy I was waiting for the call. All right, so so we got that, and everything still looks the same. So now let's add our class name to this. We're gonna do a width of full and a BG of white. All right, and then here we just add a margin, I mean a width. Been working with too many languages. A width of 92%. That what we did, 92%, and a margin, M of auto. Yeah. So now it should line perfectly up with our nav. Nice margin. I think that looks really nice, and I think that's it for that. I mean, we could just do like a background, a BG inherit, like that. So if I want to change this to black or something, let's see how black looks. And just in case, you know, I want to add light and dark mode, which I do plan on adding, but didn't really get a chance to. Let's just go back to white. All right. So now down to our icon section. And same exact thing. Let's do a div. Inner div like that. And then copy these class names. And just do a class name on this of width full BG of white. I don't even think I even need to do the whole BG white thing, because I mean by default the background is white. So so that, and then we're gonna do our width of 92%. 92% and a M of auto. And let's go ahead and take off width full on this one like that. And now let's see how it looks. Perfect. Let's just make sure it still looks, ooh, wait. Okay, it still looks nice. A little bunched up right here. A little bit. Now look at our buttons there. I don't like that. And it signed me out. Wow. I don't know why that happened. Yeah, see, look, I gotta log back in. Alright. I think that looks good. Alright, yeah, I think that looks good. So for the section, so we're gonna have a color section here. And I'm trying to think if I want to make like this background. Let's see how it looks. Let's do a BG primary. Text white. Oh, that's because we set the text already down here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like this, guys. I don't know if I like that. I know what I need to do is add a line. It's a flex call. I do need to add like an item center as well, because the things aren't centered. Is it? Oh, all right, let's take that off. Oh, okay, I see what I did there. I got flex on each block. I don't know if this looks good with, like, it does look like a nice banner. That was like okay, but I'm really picky when it comes to this stuff. I mean, it's worth a try though. Let's go ahead and make the text white and see if we could just make it look a little bit better. So maybe let's do like a PY of, I don't know, 5. That's way too much. PY2. Alright, maybe not that. I think we should add it on here. The PY. Let's do a PY of 1. Maybe not this background. Let's see if we can. What other colors do we got? I forgot. I only use this one color. Maybe like something like this. Background. Wait, is this the background? Wait a minute. What did I do wrong here? Hold on. Maybe that was supposed to be the background. Let's go back to icons. And let's go to BG background, I guess. And just see how that looks now. Head back over to the hero. And where's this space coming from? With full larger auto. Where's this space coming from right here? Right here. Where's that coming from? Huh. It doesn't look like it's coming from anywhere. Get back over to icons. I mean, I like the background color. Let's see how it looks on this one. Background. See how it looks. No, that doesn't look right. Back to white. And go back to icons. And, oh, right here. Margin top. And that's why. Alright. Yeah, that doesn't look right. Margin top of 5. Alright, I don't know if I like this. But I think I might keep it though for now. Something like this. I mean, gives it a little bit of, it gives it some color. Let's see how it looks on mobile. Okay, see, it looks great on mobile. I actually like that. Okay. Let's extend this. This is how it's really supposed to look like that. Let me just make sure it's like, that's how it's supposed to look. Free shipping, text primary. Let's do like a font of code. Yeah, that looks, no, that don't look right. Do a font of medium maybe? Yeah. I guess we can keep it like that. I don't want to overthink it. Yeah, that don't look that bad, I guess. Alright. So let's go down to the next section. So this section here is the tab section, which I still haven't figured out how to get data from a server component inside of a client component. So still haven't figured that out yet. So I think I might just scrap this whole tab thing and just put like maybe a bestseller section here. And yeah, it's just not working. I tried a bunch of stuff. I spent hours and hours trying to figure it out, and it seems like a lot of people is having this issue with Next.js as well. They're trying to figure out how to get data from a server component inside of a client component, because it just gives a bunch of errors. Like I can import a I don't want to mess up my site. It's working fine. I don't want to make up any more bugs. But if I import a server component inside of this, it'll just break the entire site. So well, it won't like break it, but it'll give a bunch of errors. So not sure. So I'm gonna definitely scrap this most likely. So we got our banner. I'll be working on this section here maybe tomorrow or the day after. This is gonna be like a newsletter section. I drew something up the way that I want it, and I'm gonna go into Photoshop and make a little background image for it. So I think it's gonna look nice. All right, so this here is the men section. So let's go men collection. And why is my ringer not working? All right, so I think this is the men section, right? Let's make sure. Go to page, products. Yep, men. So this is the men. I still gotta add more products too. Men collection. All right, so same thing. We're just gonna add a div in here, and put it over top of this div. Flex, last name, and we'll do a width of 92%. 92%, and a M of auto. That. And then here we're just going to do it with a full, like that. All right, let's see. Let's head back to the icons right quick because it's really bothering me. Let's make a little small change because I mean I like it, but it might actually change. Margin top. Let's do a PY of 2, a little bit bigger, maybe 4. All right, cool. You can keep it like that. So that's that, and then the woman section is going to be here. So what we could do just for now, let's just go ahead and mirror the men's section, just so I can see how the page is going to be laid out. I'm going to copy this. And since we're here, we could just go ahead and put inside this and do like a H1. And then put shop men's like that. Uh-oh, there's that error. There's that error. I knew it was gonna come. That sucks. And it sounded me out of nowhere earlier too, so it signed me back in out of nowhere. That's what I'm saying, man. It's just crazy. So much shit. Alright, so shop men's, and let's do a margin bottom of 5. Give some space, and I'm gonna do a class name of text center, like that. I should center, but I think I gotta make it a width full first, because right now, oh, there it goes. Okay. So class name that, and let's do a let's just do, instead of this, let's do an MY of 5, so it can be margin top and bottom. Give some space from the banner. And then here, text center. How I'm gonna do this? Let's do a text of 2XL, a font of bold, and italic. Kind of like our logo, but we'll see how that looks. Wait and see. Okay, don't look too bad. And then do a text primary, and we can do an underline, something like that. All right, and let's take off the italic. The italic really doesn't look great, and let's do a I was trying to see something. I guess that's okay for now. Yeah, I guess that's okay for now. We'll probably fix that up, but this is how site's gonna look. And then up here it's gonna be another section just like this, but I need to figure out like how I'm gonna make these look, because head over to, why is it doing that? Products, this is the product, the unit amount, and then here's where, so wait, H2, here we gotta add like our add to cart button. The cart button should be there, and then I add the wish list button to be here as well. Okay, wait, what happened? Come on, man. Damn computer. All right. Okay, we did something wrong here. The whole entire div. Oh, the whole entire div we made into a link. So check this out. Let me see. So we click on add to cart. It takes us to, yeah, that's not right, guys. We supposed to just make, so let's take this and just make the the name, maybe the name and the image. So let's put the link here like that, and then take this, bring it inside here like that. So now the link and the image should just be clickable. So now when I click on my add to cart, must be signed in. That's because we gotta send over some props to it. That's why it's saying, you know, it's giving me the error. Must be signed in. So because I'm already signed in, so it's giving me that error. And where are we at? Products. All right, but this is how it's gonna look. But I do want to style up the buttons a bit as well. But for now, let's go ahead and put them inside of a div. That way we can give some space and stuff. That. And you can just do a class name of flex and just like a gap of like 4 maybe. All right, perfect. And let's see how that looks on mobile. Oh, we didn't even make this section responsive. That's why. Okay. About to say. All right, cool. We could just leave it like this for now, though. All right. So how long have I been recording? All right, 41 minutes. Okay. Make sure I don't get that phone call. All right. So that's that. So it'll be something like this, and maybe we can do a probably do like a like a text align center or something. I don't know. Might add the cart button working here. Nope. Gotta send over the back. All right, perfect. So that's all the sections. We're gonna have our banner. Let's go ahead and mirror this shop men section up here as well, because I just want to see how it's gonna look. So let's go back to page and copy this, and we're gonna get rid of this task because I just cannot figure it out how to get that working. Because I got the functionality working. Like, it took me a while to get that working, but the tabs is working so fine, everything works, but it sucks that I couldn't get it. All right, yeah, it looks nice. So I have the nice little thing there. Gonna have that, and have our banner. Wait. Oh, let's see. So this section will be daily deal section. We have our shop men's, we have our shop woman collection, and then yeah, I think it's gonna look nice. Shop men, shop women, and I wish I can. I'm gonna try to add a button to where it goes like a little carousel. But again, if I add any on clicks, unless I can make the on click into a client, then pass it into the server component. So maybe that's why it wasn't working. Maybe I just got it fucking all mixed around. Maybe I have to put the server component, the client component inside of the server component, and not the other way around. So I'm gonna try that and see what's that about. All right, so for this section, which is our blog, where we at? Blog, same thing. Let's do a div inside of this, and that, and then give it a class name of width 92% and a m of auto, and then this one is going to be a width of full. And I might have to put this py on the inner div. Do that. And do that. And wait till that refresh. Let me send this text to this guy. All right. So unprofessional of me. All right, so the blog section should line up perfectly with that. Maybe take off this py. Yeah, I think it looks good. All right, we can keep it like that for now. And now for the footer, I can actually do my color footer, my background color footer now. So take this off, and we can do our width of full like that, and we could div inside. Bring it all the way down. Wait, okay. And last name 92%. Oh, width 92%. Oh my god. 92%, and a background, a BG of inherit, and a margin of auto, like that. All right, cool. See how that looks right quick. Perfect. Now it looks nice. All right, sorry about that. I had to run downstairs for a second. All right, so probably a few more minutes I'm gonna end this video, and yeah. So I think I was on a footer, so I got the footer the way that I want to now. So now we can go to each H1 and remove this primary, text primary, just so we can see them. Let's see, because they're right there. And okay, we get in that error. So let's just go ahead and just remove all of them for now. Primary, primary, and text primary. All right. So yeah, this footer isn't even completed yet. I wanted to add some like social links to it. Let's see how this looks for now. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Maybe just do like a text XL. I think the text is a little bit too big. Text XL. Text XL. And XL. Alright. See how that looks. Come on. Yeah, I think that looks better. Alright, okay, so for the contact section, I want it to have, so right now I'm just repeating we're repeating this right here. Let's take this off, and then here we'll have a div, and then we'll have our social links in here. So we got Facebook icon, Instagram, Twitter icon. Let's do Facebook icon, Instagram icon, and Twitter icon. And what else was it? YouTube icon. Come on. All right. So why didn't that work? Oh, so it's YouTube with the uppercase T. That's why. There we go. All right. Ooh, we gotta make it a client use client. So when we're using the icons, we gotta make it a use client, apparently. I guess like in the back end they use ref. I believe, yep, use ref. Alright. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna end this video soon. This is starting to get annoying. Oh, starting to look nice though. Okay. But you can see like the footer just looks weird when like the text is like not lining up right. And I could not figure out why that is happening. Let's do a line. Let's do a line. Justify self. Start. Let's see what happens. And that's for the about. Let's refresh. Self start. Okay, maybe a line self. Is it a line self? Line. I'll just put self start. See what happens. Refresh. I kind of want all of them to line up, no matter how wide it is. Okay. All right. Height of full. Let's do a height of. Height of 50. What is 50? Let's do 300 pixels. I think if I give it a set height, then I can make them all work. Right. 300 pixels. Let's do 200 pixels. Okay. All right, so height 200 pixels. So I think if I set the height to 200 pixels for this one as well, maybe it will line up together. Let's look up footer ideas. Footer section ideas. But I think I might change this. I'm not really feeling this footer. See how everything lines up perfectly. Why the hell is mine not lining up? Something that I'm doing wrong. Ooh, I like this footer. That was nice. Let's do e-commerce. Yeah. I mean, I like this footer. It's simple. Yeah, I like it. Just gonna have to really fix it up. It just doesn't look right. And I'm really starting not to fill this blog section, to be honest. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that there either, but How long have I been recording? Alright, so I did want to do one more thing. I wanted to make a back to top button on here. But since I'm going to be doing the sticky scroll, I don't think that's necessary. So I guess what we can do is actually we can try to do that scroll thing right quick. So let's head over to the nav bar. And it's really easy to do. I actually got the code in my GitHub to do it. 'Cause I did it for that little space nav bar that I made. I'm trying to think how we're gonna do this though. Whenever we scroll, we wanted to change the color. Then when we hit the top, okay. Let's head over to my GitHub right quick. And let's go to repositories. And let's go down to, I think it's like Tailwind responsive navbar. So this is kind of like what I'm talking about, but instead of it sticking to the top like that, once we scroll, we want it to change the color. So see how I did it like that? So that's, I know it's like window scroll Y is greater than 5 or some shit like that. Not that hard to do. Bar. Alright, so yeah, here it goes here. So here, let's go ahead and do it. So we got to do a const, do a scrolling, and we got to do a set scrolling, and it's going to equal to use state false. And I believe we do have to, do use effect. Use effect. And I'm gonna copy what I got here. This is the good thing about creating stuff, creating projects, you know. You don't need to rewrite the code. Go to your GitHub. If you want to take something from one project and add it to another, just copy and paste it. There's no point at having to figure everything all over again. The use effect, so window scroll Y, just top and bottom. You can also do a scroll X, left and right. Oh, hit my monitor. So if it's greater than 0, we're setting scrolling to true, and else is just false. And we got some event listener scroll, and we got our dependency array there, so it can fire one time. All right, so how are we gonna do this? So we need to, let's take all of this and cut it. All right, because now we gotta render out our class name conditionally. So we're gonna do scrolling question mark. The class name is gonna be this, same thing, but BG is gonna be black, and BG is gonna be black, and then else it's just gonna be what we just had, I believe. Else is gonna be that. So essentially with that, refresh, when we scroll, the background should turn black, and since we got BG inherit on this one, our inner div should turn black as well. Yep, nice. And we can play around with it a little bit, like if you don't want it to instantly turn black, probably set it to maybe like 100. And then let's refresh. Oh, my phone died. So wait a little bit and then it turns black. Wait a little bit. Yeah, I think that looks better, like with the 100. And then we can play around with this now. So now we got our state set, so we can go down here to our UL menu. Only thing is how we're gonna I mean, we'll have to render out everything conditionally, which sucks, but it's worth it because that looks nice. I probably wanted to finish this on camera. I got about 5 more minutes left, guys, and I gotta go. We're about to go to Big Lots. The wife gave me a time. I gotta, you know, she's pregnant. I want to piss her off. All right, so where are we at? User menu, user, desktop. All right, here we go. All right, so let's take all of this, same thing, copy, get rid of it. Wait. Oh no. Oh man, what did I just do? Alright, desktop menu. I'm gonna take this and I just want to copy it, get rid of it, and we're gonna do scrolling. Scrolling, set it to that. But the background is gonna be black. And can we just make the text white? Text white from here. Oh, okay, so that's why we got text gray there. All right, and then else it's gonna be wow man, else is gonna be all of this again. Like that, but the background is gonna be white, and the text is gonna be gray 600, I believe it was. All right, let's see how that looks. All right, let's see. Come on, baby. All right, so we got that, and then we scroll down. Woo! That looks amazing. That looks amazing, guys. Man, that looks really nice. Scroll up. And we could probably add like a transition or something. Do you think we can do that? I wonder if I can add like a transition to the nav itself. Let's see. Transition all. Let's see what this does. Transition all, time in 0. Okay. And we're gonna need to add it here as well. Let's see how that looks. Let's see if it works first. Oh, my mouse died. Great. I had to go get the charger to my my mouse, and let's see if this transition worked. I did add a transition to the desktop menu as well, so let's see if this works now. When we scroll, is it working or no? Maybe it's not. Maybe I just don't notice it. But yeah, it looks nice. Just gotta change these icons to white, and then maybe change this to black as well whenever we scroll in, because we got the state set. So all we gotta do is just render out our classes conditionally. But yeah, so that's it for me today, guys. We did some stuff. I mean, some minor changes. This site will be completed this week. I'm going hard this week on this site. I really want to complete it. But yeah, so that's it for me today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.